Greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Kim and I'm here to engage, encourage, and empower mature women as we navigate this thing we call life. Today's video is another What's in My Bag. I am transitioning from summer to fall in my handbags, and I thought I'd share with you the one I'm carrying at this time. It is my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene Lymington bag. This bag is discontinued, but I love it. There are the zippers on top. I've added a scarf here, and this tassel came with the bag. It has a shoulder strap. I don't usually carry it, but I love the way it looks. This is the side of the bag, the back of the bag, and it does have feet. Okay, so I will just show you what's inside. All right, on top are my sunglasses, and the ones I'm wearing this week are from Amazon. They look like this. I think I told you guys that I do not wear designer sunglasses because I'm always losing them. All right, I carry a handkerchief in my bag, and I believe I got that one out of my mom's drawer. This is my wallet. It is the Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene zip around wallet. This is my makeup bag. It's from Tory Burch. I got it at the outlet. Inside this bag, I have a hand lotion from Lolita. Here are my scriptures that I carry with me at all times. I'm wearing Donna Born in Roma from Valentino, and that's my travel size in that. Here's my pill case. Here's another hand cream. This one's from Nivea. I have a lip balm in there, a pen. Always have to have a pen on you, okay? Here's a lipstick from MAC, which is my favorite brand. A cough drop, Tide to Go. Here's a panty liner, a lens wipe, and a safety pin that's down in the bottom of this cute little makeup bag. Okay, so today I had a meeting and I couldn't find my little portable fan, and I was glad that this bag was large enough to hold my big one. This one stays on my dresser that I use when I'm putting on my makeup, but I couldn't find the other one, so I dropped it down in the bag. It's kind of pretty though. It's got a little sparkle to it. Here's a pack of tissue I carry in addition to the handkerchief. I've started carrying a notebook because I can't remember what I'm supposed to be doing. If mother's asked me to do something, I have to write it down. The joys of mature women. Here's a receipt. Here's a hair comb in my favorite pattern, which is leopard. I love leopard. Speaking of, this is my Coach corner zip catch-all, and in here I have another MAC lipstick. Here's my hand sanitizer, floss picks, another lens wipe. This is my compact from LA Colors. It takes all that shine off my face. And a purse hanger. Okay, this is a corner zip from Coach. Oh goodness, down in the bottom are a book of stamps, and I got to get those out of there and use them. Here's my favorite gum, which is Dentyne. My car keys are attached to my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene key clay. Okay, I use it for coins. Okay, that's all that's in this bag. It has a pretty burgundy lining, which is on the same side. Same color as on the handle. It does have a slip pocket on one side and then two on the other side you can use for your phone. Okay, so I hope that you really enjoyed my video today. I am nosy and I love what's in my bag videos, and so I like doing them for you. If you enjoyed this video, if you would give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and share the video if you choose to do so. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.